watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello again, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and it is time for another Cricut mystery box. Now, the name of this mystery box is Cricut's Wildflower Joy Extra Mystery Box. So it's going to be filled with materials you can use with the Joy Extra, but everything that's in this box you can still use regardless what machine you have. You just won't be able to use it matless for smart materials. So we'll go ahead and go through that, and we'll go ahead and show the Cutie first. Now, our Cutie is, I call him a newborn Cutie because he just got released last week. So if you did not see that mystery box reveal, you have not seen him yet, and this Cutie is the new mineral blue Cutie. Camera always changes colors. It's so hard to get them true because he does look deep slate, but he just has a little bit more green to me. Why did it look like the reflection made the Cutie's mouth look, it looks like it's moving. Is the Cutie talking? That's so funny. But anyway, this is the mineral blue Cutie. I said he kind of reminds me of like a deep slate blue, but then with a little of the teal added to it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop up here, mineral blue next to the moss Cutie. With Cricut Cuties, I feel like we have a pastel rainbow. We're doing a neutral rainbow now. We have bright rainbow. And then I feel like these in moss and all that, these are like, I call them moody colors because they got that deeper to it, which moody colors are really in. I love moody colors. So it's kind of like we have like a whole little moody rainbow going on too. And because we get a Cutie in the box, this box is for Access members only. So you do have to be Cricut Access to purchase the box. But as always, in our video description below, you can go ahead and purchase the box. But you can also go ahead and click the links to Access, and it's going to show you all the benefits of Access, and then you can join too. Now, if you've been here before and you know me, you know I love sparkly, so I'm going to start with something sparkly. So we are getting a roll of the silver prismatic glitter. Now, this is Cricut Joy Extra Smart. So what that means is if you have a Cricut Joy Extra, any of the smart materials you can use matless. You can just feed it into your machine. But if you're not using the Joy Extra and you're using another machine, you can still totally use it. You're just going to go ahead and cut it and then put it on a mat. And with the prismatic glitter, you don't want to know how many times it took me to say that. It is the smooth texture too. So you don't get like the glitter that flakes off because the material is going to be smooth. And not only are we getting silver, but we're also going to get the beautiful gold prismatic glitter iron-on also. And both of these are going to be 9.5 by 19 inches. And we're going to get some more smart iron-on. Now this is the hibiscus pack. So it's going to come with 3 different colors here. You're going to get the pretty teal, the pink, and the royal. And in here, you're going to get 1 sheet each of each color, and each sheet's going to be 9.5 by 12 inches. And then you can go ahead, like pair this, go ahead and put some silver glitter with it, but that pink with the silver or that green with the gold looks really good too with this teal. I love the teal with the gold too. So you can go ahead and make a design and then put some regular iron-on and add some sparkle with the glitter iron-on. And another sampler pack of that smart iron-on, we are getting this. This is the Elegance pack, which is going to come with your black, white, and red. And again, each sheet's going to be 9.5 inches by 12 inches and 1 sheet of each color. Next up is a roll of removable vinyl. So we're going to get a roll of the black removable Cricut vinyl. And again, this is smart. So with the Joy Extra, you can use it matless. But this is 9.5 inches by 3 feet. And if you have black vinyl, you have to have white vinyl. So we're getting a roll of the white removable vinyl too in that smart vinyl. And to go ahead and transfer that vinyl, because you kind of need transfer tape, we're getting a roll of 20 feet of transfer tape. Now, this is 9.5 inches by 20 feet, but you can go ahead and use this regardless. You're just gonna go ahead and cut it to your size of your project and then go ahead and put that on your vinyl. And don't forget, guys, this is reusable, so don't go throwing it away. And depending what project you're using, if you're doing something really delicate you want to transfer, fresh transfer tape may be too strong for what you're doing. So what I recommend doing is take a fresh, clean white t-shirt and then just go on the transfer tape to go ahead and de-sticky it some, which I find works great. Or if you have some animals, you might even have some like animal hair on you, which I know I've done. I'm like, ooh, I need a little de-sticky, just stick it on my leg. I'm for sure gonna have some Lucy Lou or some of my kitties hair on me. Now, this is regular transfer tape depending on what you're transferring. If you're gonna transfer, say, shimmer vinyl, then you're gonna go ahead and use strong transfer tape. And it's 20 feet long, so this roll of transfer tape should last you quite a while. And we're gonna go ahead and get the basic tool set also. I don't know what color they call this, but I call this the pastel rainbow because each little top is like a different color of the pastel rainbow. But in here, you're gonna get scissors, a scraper, weeder, tweezers, and a spatula. And that concludes the Cricut's Wildflower Joy Extra Mystery Box. And the price of the box is $49.99 US and $69.99 Canadian, but not really, because one of the benefits of Access is you save on every purchase on Cricut, and that does apply to the mystery boxes here. And links to purchase those are in the video description below. So you can go ahead and click the link, it'll take you to Cricut and you can purchase your box, which make sure you don't wait too long to do that because they do sell out fast. 2 days is the most they will ever be around for. Sometimes they're gone in like an hour or two, depending on the box. And my favorite thing for you guys in the links, well, we greatly appreciate when you use those links to purchase, don't get me wrong, but I love putting the links to the giveaways in there because I love giving you guys free stuff. I call it Happy Mail when you receive your prizes. So I love giving people Happy Mail and making them excited. So the links to the giveaway are also in the video description below. And for this giveaway, we're giving $150 to spend at Cricut to one member of our Cricut Design Space Facebook group. Ooh, and that giveaway is only open for 2 more days, but you can enter 10 times per day. So that gives you 20 entries to go ahead and enter with before the giveaway ends. And hope you guys all had a fabulous Memorial Day. And I don't know about you guys, but once Memorial Day hits, to me, it's officially summer. So happy summer, guys, even though it's technically not. That's what I go with. And let me know what is on your craft table this summer. I want to know what kind of summer projects are you working on? Patio projects, flower pots, beach stuff, totes, all of that. Summer apparel. What are you making? All right, so thank you guys so much for joining, and special shout out to all of our Patreon members. You guys rock. If you're not a member of our Melody Lane Patreon, there is info below how you go ahead and join us. And with that Patreon membership, it starts at $3 a month, which I don't know what you can't get much for $3 this day, but you can get access to, it's over 1,300 projects right in Design Space. So with that, you don't have to download any outside projects and then transfer them into Design Space. It takes you right to the design and Design Space. And Cricut Access members will get the most out of that membership because we do use Cricut's fonts and images. And you also get access to our 24/7 Melody Lane crafting Zoom. So for those of you who want to craft at home but not really be alone, it's great because you can go in there and make friends. And they're wonderful. We have wonderful ladies in our Patreon group. As always, I hope your guys' week is filled with happy crafting and, well, whatever makes you happy. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.